Friends to Rain Healthcare. Today we will discuss about cycloplegic refraction. So, what is cycloplegic refraction? It is important examination and often essential diagnosis aid in refraction procedure. It should be used selectively by the skilled and experienced optometrist. Cycloplegic refraction in which the ciliary muscle has been temporarily paralyzed by the use of cycloplegic agent. So ideal cycloplegic agents characteristic. First, rapid onset of cycloplegic effect. Second, maximum relaxing of accommodation. Third, short duration of action. Fourth, rapid dissipation of residual effect. Then fifth, low toxicity or sensitivity. Now come to selection of drugs. That is, first factor is age, second factor is iris pigmentation, and third is drug doses. Now come to indication of cycloplegic refraction. So in which case we do cycloplegic refraction. Cycloplegic refraction means wet retinoscopy. So those in whom a satisfactory standard of acuity is not demonstrated, those in whom a satisfactory level of stereopsis is not demonstrated, and third, those who present with a manifest squint, particularly an esotropia. Next come to those who have an esophoria which appears significant or unstable, those with a family history of squint, amblyopia or high hypermetropia, and pseudomyopia case. Anisometropia greater than 1 diopter. So in that case we do mainly cycloplegic refraction. So indication, so first is those in whom satisfactory standards of acuity is not demonstrated, and second is stereopsis. In case of stereopsis, okay, uh, not stereopsis, so in that case, and also manifest squint, okay, in case of esotropia, and also in case of esophoria, okay, and also in case of family history of squint and amblyopia or high hypermetropia patient. Next case is pseudomyopia and anisometropy of greater than 1 diopter, and those in whom poor accommodation is found. Next come to contraindication: absence of patient consent. Second, history of drug hypersensitivity. Third, history of angle closure attack. And fourth, anatomically shallow anterior chamber. And fifth, practical inconvenience. Advantage क्या है? Reveals latent hypermetropia, aids fundus examination, accurate fixation for static retinoscopy is less crucial. Disadvantage: full correction obtained from cycloplegic refraction can't be prescribed without modification. Patient inconvenience. Disadvantage also: photophobia due to dilated pupils, decreased ability in close work task due to cycloplegia, distress to child on installation of drop, risk of adverse and allergic reaction. So thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more optometry related and health and fitness related video. Thank you.